What if I told you that people who love studying aren't born that way? Their brains aren't different. Their IQ isn't higher. They simply train their brains to crave studying the same way people crave checking their phones. And once you understand how this works, you'll never look at studying the same way again. Imagine two students. They both sit down to study for 1 hour. After just 5 minutes, one grabs their phone and gives up. The other keeps going for hours. What's the difference? It's not motivation. It's something much more powerful. Your brain is always chasing dopamine, the chemical that makes you want to repeat an action. Social media, games, and short videos give you dopamine instantly. Studying doesn't. At least, not at first. That's why your brain keeps telling you to quit. But here's the part almost nobody knows. The brain doesn't hate studying. It hates delayed rewards. If you can make the reward happen sooner, your brain starts seeing studying as something worth repeating. So how do you do that? Start ridiculously small. Tell yourself you'll study for just 5 minutes. That's it. 5 minutes feels so easy that your brain stops fighting. And once you've started, continuing becomes much easier. Next, celebrate every small win. Finished one page? Take a moment to recognize it. Solved one difficult problem. Smile. It sounds simple, but every small victory gives your brain a tiny dopamine boost. Those tiny boosts slowly build a new habit. There's one more trick. Always stop before you feel completely exhausted. Most people study until they're burned out. Then their brain connects studying with pain. Instead, finish while you still have a little energy left. This leaves your brain wanting to come back tomorrow instead of avoiding it. Think about learning to ride a bike. The first few attempts feel impossible. Then one day it suddenly feels natural. Studying works the same way. The beginning is the hardest part. After that, your brain starts expecting the routine instead of resisting it. So if you've been telling yourself, "I'm just not the kind of person who likes studying," that's probably not true. Your brain isn't broken. It has simply been trained to expect instant rewards. And the amazing part is, you can train it differently. The question is, what if the student you've always wanted to become is only one new habit away?